Hi, welcome traders. Welcome to JJP Trading Academy. So in this video, we are going to see about the charting scanners and how to code in the charting. So if you are a stock trader, don't miss this video. Watch this video till the end. Then only you will be understanding how to code a particular coding for the particular strategy, whatever the strategy you are having. We can code it and we can scan the particular stocks related to our strategy. So in this video, totally we are going to see about the charting website. Before entering into the video, if you have not subscribed to our channel, click on the subscribe button and click on the bell button, then only you will be receiving the upcoming videos updates of our channel. So as a basic, let us search for the particular website charting.com. So once you search for charting.com, this is the home page you will be seeing, the charting website. So to create a particular strategy, you need to click on the create scan. So right now you can see this is the create scan session. So in this we are going to start a coding for a particular strategy. Whatever the strategy we need, we can code and we can select the particular script. Whether you need to go for a cash segment or bank nifty segment or futures, gold, everything you can choose it here, like indices. So you can also create a particular watch list and you can scan for the particular stocks alone. So this is the only procedure we are going to do it right now, and I will be explaining about the strategy first of all. So let us see example with the RBL bank in the 14th December. So this is a gap down strategy. First of all, this strategy will be helping you to take a morning movement of the market. So once the market starts with a gap down, we will be taking the entry according to the gap down setup. So this strategy will be more useful for you to choose the stock selection, and once in the morning itself you can end the trade. So let us see for the example of 14th December. You just see here, this strategy will be seeing the previous day's low, whether the previous day low the candle has been gap down. This is the only condition we are going to keep here. So the open of the 9:15 candle open should be low of the previous day low. That means this is the full gap up. Most probably we will be considering the gap up as the close. That is, if the candle has been closed below the previous day close, then also we will be considering as a gap down only. But in this condition we are going to check whether the previous day low, this is the yesterday's 13th December low. So once the candle is starting below this low, then we are considering this as a gap down setup. So once we confirm this setup, we are going to enter into the trade entry on the first candle low itself. You can also punch the order in the starting of the candle itself. Once you get an alert or once you get a charting scanner, you can punch the order in the starting of the candle itself. But most probably this type of stocks will be returned back in the one candle itself. The movement will be given in the first candle itself. Sometimes if the big movement has been given, we are going to avoid that particular stock for the first candle itself, or you can do a punch order in the 9:15 candle starting itself. Then you can take this first candle movement itself. So this is the first thing we are going to take entry. That is, if you want to punch the order in the 9:15 candle itself, then you can go for a first candle itself, you can short the candle. And if you want to enter into the perfect confirmation candle, is once the candle ends in the 9:15 candle, after the confirmation of the particular 9:15 candle, the low of the particular 9:15 candle, we are going to punch the order. So once the candle reaches the low of the particular candle, we are going to punch the order and we are going to keep the stop loss above the previous day low. Otherwise we are going to punch the stop loss in the 9:15 candle high. This is the strategy we are going to scan today in charting website. So let us see how to code for this particular strategy. So let us see with the charting website. So right now I have clicked the create scan, and right now we have got the display here. The stock passes all of the below filters in the cash segment. So right now this will be scanning for every cash segments for the scanner. So this is the condition here. So right now I will be choosing it to a futures so that it will be filtering some stocks. So now I am going to give the condition, that is the first candle open. So that we are going to click the open. the open of the first candle, first 5 minutes candle. For this strategy we will be using only 5 minutes time frame. So this is the condition we need to give for first candle choosing. The intraday first candle it will be choosing for 5 minutes time frame. Open should be equal to the first 5 minutes candle high. So this will be filtering the stocks that it has a no high of the till now. The 9:15 candle, the candle has been in a short side only. So I will be filtering the stock that the open is equal towards the first candle high. So that it denotes that there is no high for the particular 9:15 candle. And in the second condition I am going to give that the first candle open should be less than the previous day's low. This is the only condition. The main condition we are going to give it as that is the 1 day ago low. Okay, so that we will be filtering the stock that which is opened less than the particular previous day's low. And right now again I am going to choose for close. Sorry, now I am going to choose for 5 minutes time frame the same condition. It should be less than the low again, so that it will be filtering the stocks which are having the condition that the open of the first candle also should be less than the low, as well as this particular candle first 5 minutes candle should be less than, close should be less than the particular previous day candle low. So this denotes that the particular 9:15 candle should be below the previous day low. Okay, so this is the only scanner we are going to do it here. So now I will be publishing this script in a public mode so that every traders can use this. Now I am saving this as a JJP gap down strategy. So once I have done this coding, I have submitted. So right now you can, once you save the scan, then you need to run the scan, particular scan, and now you can go for a backtest results. So this backtest results will be showing us at which candle we are getting the particular scanner in the morning itself. So to see the 9, so now first of all I will be seeing for 9:15 candle the same stocks has been reflected in 14th fully. So only this type of charting alerts has been came. So for 9:15 candle itself, the first thing, whatever the stocks has been given throughout the day, the same stock has been given, because our condition is related to day chart also. So only this type of every stocks has been combined for the whole day. So first of all we are going to choose, these are the stocks you will be getting in the morning. So let us see for 14th December what are the stocks has been happened. So let us see for Bajaj Finance. So the Bajaj Finance has been given you in a 9:15 candle itself there is a big move, and only one condition I have not set. And for this strategy you need to wait for the first candle to be confirmed, and we need to punch the order in the first candle low, then only the confirmation happens. So we are going to punch the order here only. Here only the condition has been satisfied perfectly. So almost this is our entry, and our stop loss should be the high of the candle, high of the first candle. First candle low is our entry, and the high of the first candle is our stop loss. So let us see for the next entry. Stock Nifty. So let us see, the Infy has been not satisfied the condition, that the conditions has been satisfied that previous day's low has been broken and the gap down has been happened. For this particular stock, now we are going to punch the order in this low of the particular 9:15 candle. But in this stock, the 9:15 candle low has been not reached, so we are not going to enter into the particular stock. So let us see for another example. Ashok Leyland. So right now you can see the Ashok Leyland has been given you an entry here. The entry has been happened here, so that you can see how much points it has been given. So almost for this particular stock 0.96% has been reached. So this is the best strategy you can do as a stock trader. Most of the stock traders will be searching for a scanner. This is the best scanner you can do it for the morning intraday trade entries. So once you get a trigger of this first candle low, you can punch the order suddenly. Then you can keep the stop loss above the first candle low, first candle high. So now you can see the movement of the strategy. You can see almost 1.31% has been reached in this stock. So that's all traders, and now I have uploaded this particular strategy for your reference, and now you can scan for yourself and you can do the daily intraday trade entries with this strategy. And I will be giving the description link, I will be giving the link of this particular strategy, then also you can use it easier. So once you click on the link, you will be directed to this strategy directly. And now we have understood how to code for the charting website, and now we know that whatever the strategies we are going to develop, we can go for a search of scanners here itself, as well as you can choose the segment here itself. Thank you traders, thanks for watching this video till the end. If you have not subscribed to our channel, click on the subscribe button and click on the bell button, then only you will be receiving the upcoming videos updates till now. And if you have not joined our Telegram channel, click on the description link and join our Telegram. We will be posting the daily updates of our JJP Trading Academy, as well as we will be posting our daily updates of our indicator till now, so that you can join our advanced price action course also. Thank you.